Howdy guys, this is Johnny with Earmark. I've got a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette that we've added the Igla PIN code system. I'm going to show you how this one works. I'm going to start off with remote starting it. You do not lose any factory features with this system here. You're able to safely and securely remote start it. I'm going to hop in and show you what happens if you try to drive off after it's been remote started and you're not authorized. So now I'm in the vehicle. If I put my foot on the brake and press the start button, attempt to put it in gear, vehicle shuts down. I'm going to try to restart it. See, absolutely nothing happens there. Going to enter my temporary PIN code. Car fires right up. Put it in gear, and good to go. If you have any questions about how we can protect your vehicle with the Igla PIN code system, give me a call or text 972-612-6886.